a blessed day today, and this morning we are on our way to go fishing. Yeah, we are on our way to go fishing. We're about to get some gas right now. And yeah, call this. Y'all look at all these potatoes on the back of that truck. It's filled all the way up to the top. It's cloudy, maybe it won't rain. It's all lightning, y'all know we leaving. They didn't even cut their grass out here. I don't know about this. This is crazy. We out here at the water. Y'all set y'all chairs up and stuff. Kids got their chairs and stuff. They getting their stuff out. We got the coolers, the fishing rods and stuff. Why y'all send y'all chairs out there for?
Because I'm not going nowhere.
Closer, cause people got to drive in. I bought the kids some Capri Suns. They got some graham crackers, some Vienna sausages. They got some pork tarts. You know, different kind of stuff in the bag. And we got some bologna and some bread to make some sandwiches. He's setting the things up for the poles. This look like mine right here. It's look faded though, but it's mine. Yeah. How y'all feeling out here? Y'all good?
No. Yeah.
What's wrong, Kayla?
Too hot.
It's not hot.
Yes, it is. I did.
That's on there a little bit. He putting the fishing worm on the rod. I got to put my worms up there too. I'm setting up my fishing rod, y'all. People have come down here and cut grass now. But he put my bail on so far. Got to put the, what's the time?
Hook.
The hook. This the sinker. He got to put the hook on. And then I'm going to put the worm on and cast it out.
Give me some, give me a little bit line. Okay.
I had to open my bail up to unlock. I'm about to put my red wiggler worms up here. I used to be scared of these things. I used not to even put my own worm on. But I still have a time with taking the fish off the hook once I get one. I'm scared them fins gonna get me. Ooh. But y'all on where to cast it out. Why my thing feel like it's locked?
One that fix.
I'm about to cast it out. When you cast it out, you got to make sure your bail open. That's TJ fishing pole. TJ ready to get his fishing pole. TJ, what kind of fish you want to catch? You want to catch you a white perch? What about you, Logan?
Catfish.
You want a catfish? I don't. I want a white perch. The kids want their food, so give them some hand sanitizer. TJ, here. Logan, you want some? Come and get it. Here, TJ. Come on. You can walk with that pole. Here. You want a part chart? Here. Take your Capri Sun. Here.
What is this?
The kids about to
Something's on my fishing.
they eating and drinking right now. He about to cast his out. Give me your I'm a check man for mine. It's not working. Look, mine is locked. I can't even turn mine. Got to put another worm on it. I really say ain't hardly no worms in here. You can barely find them. I haven't moved it.
Some worms in the house, yeah.
They got to get all the dirt. I'm about to cast back out. We loading up, we about to leave. It's getting too hot. I see that their complexion look like it's wanting to change, so yeah, we leaving. We packing up. Y'all go ahead and put your chairs in, then they out here cutting grass too. It was not a success today for fishing. It's too hot. They cut grass. We caught nothing, so we just had to come another day. Everybody eating their bologna sandwich. You eat yours, CJ. Landon there.